Hi, and welcome to Feature of the Day here at BobCAD-CAM. Did you know that you can easily change the direction and order of your drilling operations by changing the machine sequence? You can move to closest, X direction, Y direction, custom direction, and even optimize. But now you can easily pick your order by just moving your cursor or hovering your cursor around. As you can see, whatever direction and order you selected, the system will follow, giving you full control of your drilling operations. You press OK, you compute, and you're done. Thank you, and have an amazing day.